So guys, I just got puppets. If you don't know, it's like trending TikTok on TikTok where you get this thing and you like pop it. So I'm gonna show you it, guys. So let's go. I hate Doritos reaction. Doritos reaction. If you're watching this, I hate it. Well, I don't like really hate it, but it's just the Doritos make sense. That's all. So let's go. We have a get back to you. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Let's just go downstairs and I'm gonna show you it good. But Mateo's really good at doing stuff. Yeah. Okay. So it says it is coming on Thursday, March 25. And I'm like, what? That's gonna be like next week. Like this week, but like this week, but like Thursday. And I'm so mad because I just ordered this yesterday. It should have been coming today. I mean tomorrow, but they changed it. My God. So as you can see, it's going tomorrow. It says it's going to ship. I don't know. It's gonna ship and then delivered. Okay.
Actually,
So.
It was on the couch.
I was gonna eat it. Sorry, guys. Oh my God, what is happening? Okay. So, I'm going to give you an update when I get it, or I might do it on TikTok, but I have a new TikTok account that I'll show you when I update. So, this has already been 2 minutes long, not 3, but I'm going to do like 1.5 video, but I don't like that. Like, videos take longer to edit, but I like doing short videos to edit, but I don't edit videos. My dad does, but he says everything's fine. He posts it, and it does not look good as it looks, so don't look at me now. I want to get 100K, but whoever made this YouTube needs to subscribe me because I just want to. I'm just new, and I've never this is my first time watching YouTube because I have never watched YouTube before. So yeah, I don't play like games and that because YouTube's boring, but not that boring. So what?
You said YouTube is boring, but kind of yeah. But you said it's boring.
Well, it's not even that boring. All I watch is like 1 video a week, but that's what I do. So that's what I do. So next Thursday, I'll see you, or tomorrow I'll give you an update. So, peace. It's already been like 5 minutes. It's been like a 5 minute now. I don't know how fast this thing is, but so yeah. I'm gonna like read a book for like 10 or 20 minutes. Cause I'm just waiting on an update on the delivery. So yeah. Oh yeah. Something. So I had a class on Saturday. So yeah. I don't know what today is, but this day I usually watch YouTube. But I don't care. But peace. It's already been 7 minutes long. I'm just watching YouTube. I only watch like 10 YouTubes today, so that's all. So bye.